So we're standing in front of the PEDA building, which is an energy efficient building. Mr. Ballar will take us through a tour of the building and tell us more about it. Sir.
This was rated as the 5-star building by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Government of India recently. So this is the most energy efficient building in the north region. We are happy to share our experience about this building. As a state nodal agency for renewable, we thought constructing our own building with energy efficient measures design. So we have designed this building with sustainable energy devices measures. So this building construction was taken up in the year 98, and then we occupied this building in 2003. So I will take you around of this building.
It looks like a very different building, so tell us more about it. What's different in this?
This is the first time that a office building has been designed with solar passive techniques. So this building has all solar passive features, like we have natural daylight is there. So you can see there's no artificial light is required during the daytime. So the lighting load of this building is very less. Then to reduce the heating load of the building, we have provided insulation in the walls and in the roof itself, so that air conditioning load is reduced. You are seeing this is a wind tower for cooling of the space, and we have this daylight wells in the south side, where a lot of light is coming. Sun is not penetrating, but light is coming to reduce the this heat gain. These light bells you are seeing are designed in such a manner that light comes inside, but heat is not coming inside. So we can have around this side. This is the south side of the building. Here we have workstations where offices are there, open offices are there. Only some conference rooms or senior officers rooms are there. Otherwise, open space. Lot of light is there. And you have a look at the atrium. It has 25 kilowatt solar photovoltaic power plant. So we can run this building even without grid electricity during the day. So 25 kilowatt grid power plant is available there in this building itself. So we can have round of this, and this is just to beautify for have during the summer, because it's a composite zone. Lot of temperature goes up to 43 degree. So we have this water bodies so that in summer we have cooling effect in the summer side, and it also adds to the beauty aesthetic of the building. So we are in the south side of the building. So here we are looking at the daylight wells. These are for the natural daylight. So we are getting sufficient light to work. These fins are designed in such a manner that there is no direct radiation is coming, only light is coming. So there is plenty of light, natural daylight is available for this building. So this area we have all office areas, workstations are there. On the north side we have conference rooms, auditorium and other senior officers rooms. So this is all workstations are available. And secondly, we have baffle slab in this building, because there is large span areas is very large. So baffle slab we have provided in this. In summer it's a very quick, the slabs are designed in such a manner that is a quick movement of air is there. In summer it is a lot of air ventilation takes place because of the different levels. Movement of air is very fast.
So tell us more about this particular section.
Yes, we are now standing on the suspension bridge, which is connecting both north part of the building and south part of the building. Though it has lifts, but to connect these floors, we have suspension bridge. And here we have a wind tower, which is will be functional for maintaining the thermal comfort conditions in the summer, because it has some installations at the top, but it has to be made functional yet. So other thing is important is we have very large span of this atrium portion, which has 25 kilowatt solar power plant, which you are seeing. These are all photovoltaic panels, and we have other panels, space frame structure. This is the first time that we have done this. This is most efficient, energy efficient building. and I am happy to inform that Prince Charles, Prince of Wales, visited in October this building. So he spent almost 1 hour here. So the seminar was also organized on sustainable development of cities. Lot of top architects from the country came and spent 1 hour here. So we are proud that this building is an example. So this can be replicated in other office buildings, other areas.